Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have here a beautiful split level home located in Fairfield, Mountain, Manchester, just a few minutes from the Mandeville Town Center. This marvelous 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home sits on half-acre of land, which gives its new homeowner adequate space for gardening and outdoor activities with families and friends. From the interior to the exterior, this home is well maintained. Guys, it's time to see this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 48 million or US $312,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this house, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.